I'm starting with a mid-rise t-shirt, so it's really only half of a shirt. And I've folded it in a special way. This is my first attempt in folding it, where you end up starting with it inside out, fold it in half just like that. In a different video, I will show you how to do this special fold. But this is to help it to get a mirror image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an eclipse sun style shirt. So to do that, I'm going to need a washable marker, and I'm going to be drawing a circle on here. So what you need is something that's the shape of a circle. Take a circular object, right? And we're going to go ahead and make a circle. A half circle, that is, right? Yeah. Now, I'm going to go ahead and bunch this and pleat it so that way it ends up staying in a straight line. Well, attempt number one. We'll see how it goes. This is where it should be circular. The rest of it needs to be scrunched. Okay, so we scrunch the rest of it. Yeah. I did decide to dampen my shirt. I was afraid that the dye might not soak all the way through to all the layers. So I've actually wet this and just squished it out while it was rubber band. Okay, so I'm going to start off with black dye because it's an eclipse, right? So the middle is going to be black. Okay, all the way around. Later I'll check to make sure it gets into all the folds as well. That part should be black. And then right after that is the white, because white is the brightest part right of the sun, and then it's going to go into yellow. So right here, yellow. All right, before I put it in a bag, I do want to untie it and see what it looks like. I have no idea if it turned out the way I wanted it to. Oh yeah, that's right, because I folded it into a half thing, right? And since it's in a half, okay, like that is so awesome. Those are like the coolest colors ever. I don't think it did exactly what I thought it would, but that's okay. So if I have to get it, it's inside out right now. Well, let me show you. Okay, here it is. This this looks amazing. It's not what I said it would be, though. All right, I do think I want to get some more black into that. All right, so now I just made it a little bit more circular. Okay, so there. Fold it in half some more. All right, time to put it into a bag. Let it sit 6 to 8 hours. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications.